Spades is a strategic card game that's played with two teams of two. The goal of the game is to be the team that reaches 500 points first. To score points, try to win the number of tricks that you and your teammate bid at the beginning of the round. To start the game, each player draws a card. Whoever draws the highest card deals first. Have the dealer deal 13 cards to each player. Then, take a look at your cards and estimate how many tricks you think you can win that round. To win a trick, you need to have the highest card in the suit that leads. Keep in mind that spades trump every suit, regardless of what suit leads. Let each player announce how many tricks they think they'll win, which is called their bid. Add up you and your teammate's bid. This number is called your contract. Once both teams have a contract, the round starts with the player to the left of the dealer. That player can play a card in any suit from their hand. However, players can't lead with spades until a spade has been used to trump a leading suit. After the first player leads, the rest of the players take turns playing a card in the same suit if they have one. If you don't have a card in that suit, you can play any card from your hand. Once all players have gone, the player with the highest card in the suit that led wins the trick. If the leading suit isn't spades, and one or more spades have been played, the player with the highest spade wins the trick instead. The winner of the trick collects the 4 cards, then plays the next leading suit. Keep playing like this until everyone is out of cards. At the end of a round, if you and your partner manage to win at least the number of tricks in your contract, multiply the number of tricks in your contract by 10 points. For every trick you won above the total in your contract, add 1 point to your total. If your team fails to make your contract, subtract 10 points for every trick you bid from your total score. Continue playing rounds like this until one team reaches 500 points and wins.